Can you define aliases for imported modules in Python? In Python, is it possible to define an alias for an imported module? For instance, so that is has an alias of short underscore name.
Also works for
check here, or
if you've done. You can also give it an alias by. There's no reason to do it this way in code, but I sometimes find it useful in the interactive interpreter.
Yes, modules can be imported under an alias name, using as keyword. See.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.